and you need the hookup, I got people over here that got the hookup. It's straight networking.
I got you, right.
Straight networking. If you don't got nothing to offer, you're not even going to be allowed on the site. If you're not looking for something, you know, like let's say if you need a record deal, you need management. I got people on there as managers. If you got a website, you need somebody to make a website. I got people got website. If you need beats, I got people got beats. If you need, you know, whatever you need, it's straight networking.
Media, right.
Right, because the thing is now you just gotta make moves.
You gotta make moves.
Yeah, you know you gotta
make
moves.
That's right.
So just remember that, gotta make moves. So when you see it, it's not gonna be alien. Just make the move with the move maker.
Yeah, they know you very well on Facebook, brother, making the moves.
Hey, that's what I do. I make moves on a regular basis. I'm glad I made this move with you. I remember, you know, I did your first interview.
Yeah. First interview, yeah.
I did your first interview, man.
First interview running with Jay-Quan. Thank you, Jay-Quan.
Yeah, Jay-Quan, Jay Queasy. Yeah, but definitely, if anybody see this and they want to know about hip-hop or they think they know, they want to know more, y'all need to get on Hush Tours with me and Grandmaster Caz. I mean, you have a ball. And you have a ball.
Yeah, you've been doing that thing for years with the Hush Tours.
It's 8-year anniversary, you know what I'm saying? And this is what we do, you know, and we actually go to Kool Herc building where the first hip-hop party was given.
Yo, does he ever come out once in a while and say hello to your guys?
In the beginning, he used to, you know what I'm saying, but he's so busy. But I see Herc all the time. Okay. You know, I see Herc all the time.
Okay, that's good.
You know, I see him all the time.
Coke too? Coke LaRock?
Yeah, I seen Coke, but I wasn't there. I wish I would have been at when he was in Katona, but I couldn't. I was in school. But yeah, I see him. And we got something coming up big in Central Park with Public Enemy. We're gonna jump out with them.
Yeah, what week is that?
That's August the 14th with Public Enemy.
Okay, okay. And which I got, anything lined up for September or October?
Nothing yet. Just my birthday party in November, which is gonna be a Stone Gas.
You got the location already?
Nah, I'm thinking either maybe Roseland. Tony want to do Roseland, but I want something a little bit smaller with just everybody that I know there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You know, something real nice.
You listen to my rhymes, but you never ever heard. So stick around, don't do but bird. Drink my food, take a puff of my herb and fly girls. Don't get on my nerves and fuck a MC. Do not disturb this. JDL and emit a reverb like that, y'all. I like that, y'all. I just wanna rock shaka like that, y'all. And easy A to the break of day. And LA, rock the house and Little Spud, rock the house and Tony Tone, rock the house and Play Brothers, rock the house and Take Master, rock the house.